MPP abanye ba ye ene yegu sa kokonte kwa ne yegu so Chapel Hill Town Roads MPP abanye ba ye ne yegu so ene oka friends oka Western Rock e friend Sam Aboy to Asemkragwa mani nkwafa ye okrobi e friend nya atitide to e friend Sam Aboy be bia Sam Artist for moyi ni wo no MPP abanye ene sa kwan ye ene
Evomre naso say umre naso enti
20 minutes na ni
1 minute subscriber
wo dia mama okay mami land aha mi hang bi mami land enti je asema owura Dr. Mahmood Bawumia kan say MPP yes ye beye we ye manifesto ye yaye NDC fo e musu mu kwafa mu manifesto mra na mu meto na mu kasa mu beye we page we na mu kan no mutumi ye na Ghana fo mu sampa difference wo but the am then say ne Vice President Dr. Mahmood Bawumia force NDC. When was the last time we see NDC for a forum some year policy press release that? Vice President Dr. Bawumia change the dynamic no. And no take Jacob say and now I'm politics. I have digital. That is what Dr. Bawumia is made of.
Thank you.
Because of Dr. Mahmood Bawumia, President Mahmoud to me appointed Vice President.
May I see F4? May I see good evening, Mr. Host. Why Vice President like telling lies? Only NPP time that excavator can fly. NPP came to steal and destroy. Therefore, you like telling lies too. So you said excavator, Big Ado, they do it by Big Ado. I know one man. Come on. Also, Ado has been paid by Nana Ado on Rock FM some months ago. And someone come just say today, Big Ado with court order went to Ministry of Transport to collect their cars.
Yes.
Okay.
Dumso
is going on in Takoradi. Man, therefore you lack facts as a teacher and a communicator. Example, quoting wrong word and no have come. Well, you say good evening, Yankuto. Therefore you have made my day. Keep on the good work for NPP. More fire, Thompson if you Lagos town. And I buy where you say NDC. You left Ghanaians with serious doom. So, what is your problem at all? All our woes and sufferings in Ghana are caused by the NDC. It is never true that former President John Dramani Mahama teared all roads in the Takoradi Township. Who are you saying this to please himself? Ghanaians are wide awake from A. Ahmed Efiokuma. Now, NS new Wakasa Edema. PPP. NS, happy Valentine.
Could you? Muslim happy Valentine.
And as you show, no, me pacho, digging live on YouTube after the discussion. No, we been in a bit. No, be subscribe on YouTube. Nyankunto Irresistible. Now, wa ring a bell. No, at the end of the day, no. But every time you bet me actually program, you be live on YouTube. Yenju.
Could you?
Ernest.
Michio, na Michio Rocker from Metefu. Na Michio me party for the Progressive People's Party. Na Mama Obibi Bia na Sugo Rocker from Menibri. Happy Valentine. What's your Odada? It's in Odano today actually. Na Ekwana me yewa. Na Minchia Obatanpa. Professor Dr. Grace Ayinsu Dankwa. Eskediketen for the first time. Okay. For the first time, say ko eskediketen e bo hu there yes. Mfama fufu birobo. Ensisa na mkwem oroba. Ewle ajinkwa bi abba eskediketen a osede ayin na ye bojido na yesisi.
PPP candidate.
No, NDC candidate.
Yes.
NDC candidate.
Maybe them so kasama NDC.
NDC candidate. The reason being that MPP candidate MPP candidate Honorable Joe Gatti work of parliament for close to 20 years. Eko iskede ketena in who are the pochia MP why am the sick of the man. I'm conquer the MPP and conquer for the years. You can see that he's doing something for them. But he's sick of the man.
Please let him go.
Please.
Let him go. If you think you're a good communicator, it doesn't matter the number of NDC that will come here.
No problem, but
so please silence.
Ernest Yanko. But yeah, project who parliamentary candidate. But still, Scarborough is a serious area. For me, falling the Biamba Yogo.
Please.
For me, you know, Scaricatan, Yankupona Adama, Ajunkwaba, 2020, and Sisababa, Ne Yezi Baton, and Yazam, Nipafu, Obiawa Bayusum, Kojo, Ne Zibio, Ukate Zibio, Ne Jumon, Obutumu so aye, nor a band with Sikademani, you know. Amaze last week me kan Messi moto maba mezama obatanpa Professor Dr. Grace Ayensu a original NDC nizinim we scared katan. I believe me Jesus is there, yes. Obi biara so up a scared katan ne kan ko from 2020 so asema make onemba ya again. Nanu so what kojo Town hall meeting Tuesday. Answer na wọ́n bẹ ṣe Jumaizen asem. The deputy information minister Bekese. Na ete ni sama kan also yes. Dr. Bawumia Babeka Nsama. Another Azar MPP waya Ghana fuyen. Azar MPP aban wa ya Ghana fu yin ze chede na yawo aso yawo ya crowd there yerebete adofofo abani wa ya Ghana fu yin na me seminim de Dr. Bawumia asam dada wonara na orisa na aba be sidi biewa anchema nse membirim pomenti Dr. Bawumia enwa abahwa Abribi be yana da Dr. Bawumia Baka say yes obia na so to form opedo tie asama obaka but Tuesday ebomu de ebahwa obia mpo why there na la asam de do na no baka nsem na oka pi nya no kware and Tuesday Dr. Bawumia exhibited it osan se kire bio de yes oka nsemi pia onya no kware mbe no suma osomo no na nusuba no oye wa bibra Kojo, you see, I am vice president. Now, or a politician. And you know, or a casa, Nike Sebiara or Bacano, or a casa, amane partia, or domino. No, I say. And the party can look or should look what? Attractive. And you know, Metana say, but Abani there, sir, on the Ghana fully bedding common. Afan ma all kodo Ghana. For once, the vice president should be truthful. I am kind of kakra. And I'm there. Ghana for only listen common. Save you, an opportunity to when I'm vice president. Uno onya kwana kasa. But ebinim wo ha. I also economy no, another economics in we sua wenim. We sua wenim. It is abane there elephant figures. Another elephant numbers. Na adan danen. No, I am fair. No, I'm a party will look attractive. Yes, we have people who are also descending. You will be so with name economics and I want to what to form. Name with yes, Americano. Sebio na enkano. Vice President, okay, Sepi. To them, I shall make an name when you soon there met for but I'm a man tired for Friday dead on and some dead on and no Sunday. Obesity video. Tino Tuesday, acquire opede oji number. Oji number to them waji number near Bekasa keke. Near Bekasa keke. Because in some other vice president town hall meeting on our can on Yazam for Osha do oreka no opposition. Waka that bit what about being vice president. Still Ogudoleka. In that irritating pona one of my teacher or MPP wasn't about me or Casadudo. Why the woman who is the talking point? And so no, it is below the belt. He is a vice president, whatever it is in your company. whatever it is in the company say anything you are doing I put a party member but not so he is talking too much and you better the Omoko host talking point now kojo young call into the specifics may you call into the specifics here let us ma yanka no kware o ma yanka no kware ma yahu na yanka no kware no se fenchire tiefo se obano enyinam anade electricity abani bi waye hu adwuma within the Fourth Republic Ofi Rollins na Abodo Dibekufo na Abodo Ziba the late John Moss na Abodo Ziba former president John Dramani Mahama na Abodo na abana na adodanko His Excellency Odani Sisiare abani biare ni ho waye electricity hu adwuma chen His Excellency John Dramani Mahama abani bianye onye adwuma John Dramani Mahama ye oya womayemfa abasubo
ba na de sumu kai
womayemfa abasubo yemfa ma obia
ba e person this time said e dey sumu we say
the kufuado wada mu 1 year 2 months mpo
kojo orikasa na metina ha
no say who kasa ma e
but
orikasa
who dey paraka
metina ha
kawase
orikasa na mini ha mo
kawase say wa kasa ma ma
you see
no let's cause
wa settle we really kasa
kojo truth be told Oma yanka no kohwe ma batina ha akada message ekona former president John Kufuor afodo odiye Ghana yan electricity se John Dramani Mahama na opede ofoda anche enye dumsa na anche no so fodo anche 2016 2017 2018 anche na adodanko Akufo-Addo anche wa about to dum so and your problem kasa na na do so solve was doing so but obe no ina obi His Excellency
98.7 FM
John Dramani Mahama ordinance oda kadum so edwuma no wa solve ewie abedinti in America kojo he it got to a time e wan abibi so wa Ghana ha ina ye ni enyinam no oye akosombo pa ina ye ni nedado nti se abibi be ya ina nsu anta wakache ende yambon pet mensu nto ayedema yabokodum som unfortunately nsu no anto nti yakodum som nti ma former president Kufuor ya inde okoto generators dem generators ina Dr. Reku Bobe ofano toy generators ekaya wasi na generators okoto be no toys and I'm that the no say His Excellency John Kufuor ina opedo also dum so na and chobe dem obotu anamana John Dramani Mahama oti no adenensa ka bi na bui wenwie ina the late Mills oboso buim in the late Mills no obo be ye buiwie wolu commission for otonsa frɛ the former president mo pass mo ye fe If you know, NPP John Ajakum Kufuor His Excellency no down no. Yen megawatt and yo at that time no 1 for 1 person 1 megawatt people 1 fan count. Only for no only bi nampo John Mills no be over. The John Mills no be was not enough. Was not enough and I'm there. Na the mabun in soon talk into no akosombo and the breeding poyakaboma still your problem together with the thermal plants. It's not really if you hydro yakotema. And it was a very prudent thing. The former president, oh yeah. And I'm there, say the area to be in a akosombo and Chamirikes and you will do so. And you will do so. Now, in the mode to cream, Yakasai, Masbampo Mikebi, but in it, me name there, me name there, Papono, son a Juma or some wood damonore, miniman chamanka. If I had known, and charming me be man and cut that, and I'm there, car power, yeah, among some come, Yakasa, car power, bay a benina jumpa.
local power abɛyɛ abɛni na agye kwa na urban electricity tariff another electricity sikada please na for ke bibi there your friend John Dandaman Mama 2015 or two about 78%. See a kind of on from Brown, but that Google any please.
Aba.
Please.
Yeah.
Google.
Any.
Oh please.
No, see me actually.
Oh, our farmer.
Me actually
it's cumulatively. My memory can you one. It will be impossible. That Aban over to what to petrol, what to electricity up to that number. It will be impossible. Mama found attention. Could you the former the vice president Udiako Shibia Mitina me go na mo wosu me gidi miss the whole vice president is not supposed to lie. At least no religion, no someone on man conduct the vice president Udiako Oka akohwisam kasekuru bia I was shocked. Vice president in there woba abenim from 2017 up to 2019 say was strike average actually electricity tariff no please electricity tariff no ahono no we reduce it by 10%.
22
please okay all point okay 10%. Okay, 10%. Also, we reduce by 10%.
If I'm an incasawa,
yeah, could you? May I damn simple mathematics?
I count 3 minutes.
No problem. 15th of June 2017, in the president, okay, Obeshare Ghana football. The man no share beauticians and hairdressers. Okay, one there. Or the Nzemo to come up the water when the electricity bill no do. Into the body, okay, the hairdresser from over to one dindo by 15.7%. And I want to buy for one dindo by 18%. Native the forward to do by 9.80%. There's a will got a prepaid up or when you tell me, I have me, I can't remember you did a moon command. Into that automatically, I did a president or cano. But fast forward. Oh yeah, 15th of March 2018. And now PURC what yet task there. Oh yeah, electricity tariffs for domestic I need use with you know we're reducing it by 17.5%. I need use with you know we're reducing it by 17.5%. In our businesses we're reducing by 30%. In our eco mining sites for now, that ones we're reducing by 25%.